This is presented by HBase Connect, Japanese freight forwarder in Japan.
Hello, it's Eno. Today, I will discuss the news that Maersk has appointed a forwarding veteran as its new CFO, Chief Financial Officer. This is a significant organizational change for Maersk, signaling that the integrator strategy the company is pursuing is moving toward its final phase. Maersk announced on December 12th that it has appointed Robert Erni as its new CFO. He is scheduled to officially assume the role after the release of the 2025 financial results on February 5th. Simultaneously, Maersk also announced a large-scale organizational shuffle, a so-called domino effect involving the heads of key regions such as North America, Asia Pacific, and Europe, effective from the start of 2026. The biggest point that makes this appointment crucial for the industry is the career background of the new CFO, Robert Erni. He is not from a shipping line. He built most of his 30-year career in the forwarding industry. Specifically, he spent 20 years overseeing various global centers at Kuehne plus Nagel, subsequently served as the CFO of Panalpina, and most recently was the CFO of the German major 3PL, Dachser. The message derived from this is clear. Maersk has long sought to transform itself from a shipping company into a comprehensive integrator, combining sea, land, and air. The appointment of Erni signifies an intent to further accelerate this strategy from a financial and management perspective. It is viewed as a strong declaration that Maersk is shifting its focus beyond vessel operations to the integration and expansion of the forwarding business, including end-to-end supply chain management and M&A. CEO Vincent Clerc commented that Erni's extensive international experience and leadership are optimal for the Maersk team, indicating that Maersk is rapidly moving towards a forwarder-centric revenue model. According to Shipping Watch and financial analyst reports, the market has generally reacted favorably to this personnel change. Expectations are high regarding his expertise in cost management and organizational integration, stemming from his experience at the heart of the DSV acquisition of Panalpina and his solid financial management track record at Dachser. With the current shipping market in an adjustment phase, making the company less reliant on freight revenue, Erni, who is deeply familiar with the numbers of the logistics business, is precisely the talent Maersk needs. Regarding the reshuffle of key regional tops, the CEO stated that strong execution of the strategy in each region has led to a stage where they can confidently realign the leadership. A notable point is the crossover appointment. The Asia head moves to North America, and the North America head moves to India. This setup, in the context of supply chain decoupling and nearshoring, suggests an intention to transfer knowledge and expertise to navigate changes in global trade flows. The person familiar with Asia, the production area, will lead North America, the consumption area, and the person familiar with North American logistics will lead India, the next growth market. This personnel move by Maersk is a stepping stone towards becoming a complete integrator by 2026. By installing a forwarding veteran as CFO and initiating a crossover of major regional heads, Maersk is aiming to enhance its organizational capability beyond the traditional scope of a shipping line. Investors and shippers should consider their future relationship and investment decisions based on the premise that Maersk will increasingly solidify its identity as a more comprehensive supply chain partner, rather than just a container carrier. Continued attention should be paid to the financial results announcement on February 5th, 2026, and the financial targets set by the new CFO, Erni. That's all for today. Thank you very much.